Yesterday we arrived here in the wonderful city of Mossel Bay. It is our second stop here on the garden route, and I think that you haven't seen our amazing Airbnb yet. Let me give you a tour. Maybe you just have to imagine how it looked like when we arrived. Do not pay any attention to this whole chaos here. So this is room number 1, our bedroom. We got a small desk right over here, which is like converted into a kitchen area, I would say. Look at this water kettle and those glasses here. We got also South African wet wine, which we haven't opened, didn't drink the wine. We got a large selection of coffee. TV, we also got a microwave and our fridge. Dining area, bathroom, our shower. We got also not only 1, we got 3 of these small mirrors. This looks really cool, this whole mirror combination here. And last but not least, we have this cool makeup artist table here where you can apply some makeup. Look at the size of it. Are you gonna use it?
No.
And this is our large, huge and comfy bed. We definitely gonna miss this place. Beautiful, amazing Airbnb.
It is a kind of cement that they do like that, and then you seal it. I really like it. It's super beautiful. Thank you.
The coffee, by the way, was super delicious.
Oh, thank you. I'm glad you enjoy it.
Yeah. Thank you so
Bye bye, thank you so much.
Drive safely. Enjoy your trip.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. She was so friendly.
Yes, both of them.
Okay, we have not really planned anything for today, to be honest, just like drive further on the garden route. But check the weather out. You can barely see anything. It is super foggy. It makes not really sense to drive, or I mean to walk and to hike and to go to nature reserve. So really hope that the weather is changing, otherwise, I don't know. I mean, look at that, that's the ocean, that's the ocean. Can you see the ocean?
No.
No, and this is the road. And it is also already 10, so it's not because it is super early in the morning, it is just super foggy. We have decided not to deviate from our plan. We think it's appropriate to include the garden route mall in our garden route road trip, so we can stay the course. It is only an interim solution to the weather situation we face right now.
I have a question. Is it possible to heat them up a little bit? What?
You want to warm it
Down there in the microwave.
Is it working or? Ah, no. Okay. Perfect. Thank you. We're having a quick break here from shopping. Shopping was not super successful, but the weather is better. Way better. Look at this. The sun is out, it's shining, beautiful and warm. So we decided to drive further, and we are now right here at Robberg Nature Reserve and Marina Protected Area to enjoy the beautiful sun and walk and enjoy the beautiful views here above this nature reserve. Huh. We are here walking around 9.2 kilometers. They close in 2 hours. I don't know if we make it. can you see here? Whoa.
Seelöwen, oder?
What?
Klein. Siehst du?
Yeah. They behave like dolphins. Dangerous area on trail.
Siehst du, das sind richtig viele.
Yeah, I see them. They're dolphins.
Oh mein
right?
Gott. Wow.
Seals.
No,
No,
dolphins.
Did you see dolphins?
Yeah, right here.
You, I don't know.
There. Many of them.
Dolphins.
Port Elizabeth to the pier. There's always dolphins. You
Really?
always, yes. No, we see daily.
Really?
From Port Elizabeth. Yes.
It's so special
Oh.
for us because
No,
we see
you're
them.
gonna see plenty of them in
Really?
Port Elizabeth. Yes.
Whoa, yeah, there. Yeah.
Yes, just go there. You're gonna see plenty.
We do
Oh,
it.
wow.
Enjoy
Thank you.
your
Have a
day.
good day. Bye bye. He jumped. Okay, we spotted some dolphins, but they were too far away. So we're now trying to keep track of them, to get maybe a little bit closer to them to take a photo. Honey, I've never seen you running so fast.
Da.
Whoa! Look how many there are! Honey! There are so many dolphins right now!
All the way back. No.
We are now here, and we could go over to the right, so this is the second longest walk, or we could go to the left and go all the way around the nature reserve.
No.
Huh. If you plan to walk to the point and have not reached this point by 2 p.m, you are advised for your own safety to take the shorter route.
For you.
What?
I have a present for you.
Oh.
Your own candid camera.
Have a good one. Bye bye.
Oh, sorry.